Well, there was so much going on before the war. As I told you before, all my friends were, there was an organization called the League Against War and Fascism, and we were very active. We had a big rally at Randall's Island. We handed out petitions, and this was before the United States entered the war. You know, it was even before the war started, I think. And as I said before, we were very disillusioned when Germany signed that. When Russia signed the non-aggression pact with Germany, and it was we didn't know what to think, and we knew, I knew so many of these so-called communists, and they actually didn't have anything to say. I think they were embarrassed.